I have this client and he called me up and he told me, we're not gonna speak or see each other for a week because I'm going to have this jaw surgery, got my jaw corrected, and it will probably be a week. Well, it ended up 6 weeks. His head was a balloon, one big disaster. So a couple of weeks after that, a good friend of mine referred me to Dr. Muslin. And he told me, go see the guy. You have ugly teeth, they don't look good, and you have an overbite. It is cheap. It's just, either way you look at it, if you miss like 6 weeks of work, your head is a balloon, you have all these medical procedures. This was done in a couple of days. I had my VENLAYs done, I got my bite done, and I have to say it's nothing short of incredible. My friend was right, it's cheap, it's a hell of a job, and I'm really glad I did it.